Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique, and in this video we'll be talking about a very interesting kitchen appliance. This is the Philips OneChef. Now why I say this is very interesting product, because this is an all-in-one kitchen appliance. Now what does it all-in-one kitchen appliance mean? It comes with 33 preset cooking function, making your cooking experience much better and also easier. Now generally, if you take the case of any household, whether you're boiling rice, you have a separate utensil. Whether you're making dal or paneer curry, you have a separate utensil. Whether you're baking cake or making pasta or pizza, you have a different baking mechanism or an air fryer. And whether you are making idli or sambar, you have a different utensil. So for each and every curry or item you prepare in your kitchen, you have a different set of utensil. Now with the Philips OneChef, you can solve all these problems, and this is an all-in-one cooking appliance with 33 preset functions. You can air fry, you can stir fry, you can boil, you can steam, you can make curries, and you can even keep food items warm. All of this is possible using this kitchen utensil. This is the Philips OneChef. So this is why I said this is a very interesting product. So let's go deeper into this product. Let's see what all functions it offers, how does it work, what are the menu options available, and in fact we have done cooking of several dishes using this, and how it has come, we will discuss all of that in this video. So before going into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin with the design and build quality of this Philips OneChef. So before going to the design and build quality, let's see what all box contents it comes with. So this is the Philips OneChef, and you can see here when you open, you have the main cooking pot. You have a coil here. This is mainly used for air frying. For all other cooking, you just open this and keep it. Now you have the main cooking pot. So this is a non-stick cooking pot. So this is the main item for this Philips OneChef. Then now you have a idli plate to make idlis. Then you have another one for, this is the air frying rack. You can use it for air frying. This is made of extremely good material, finishing and quality. Then you have this pot. This is for steaming. You can see the holes. This is mainly for steaming. And apart from that, you get this glass lid when you are steaming or boiling or making curry, you can use this. So these are the accessories which comes with inside the box. Now let's go straight into the design and build quality of the product. So let's talk about the design. Now you can see here it's a very nicely done design. You can see here there is a curved finish, and this is the coil area for air frying, and you have the ambient heat technology mentioned. We have a golden or rather copper kind of finish here. We have two handles to raise this, so that's how you can raise this, and it's very build quality is really strong actually. And you have this display where you can choose all the functions and the power button and the operating option, and it looks very nice, and the material quality is very good. It's a matte finish, and overall it feels very premium actually. And you also get a cooking manual with this, so you have a lot of dishes in that manual, which helps you in cooking. In case you don't know how to operate it, you have that manual as well. Now coming to the actual functionality, we have this power button. So when you turn on the power button, you get these 6 functions. One is air fry, one is stir fry, curry mode, steam, boil, and keep warm. Keep warm is basically keeping the food warm. Now if I select one option, that's air fry, I get different options like veg, chicken, fish, paneer, cake, pizza, fries. So these are the options, and you can go with the manual mode as well. Similarly, if I go for stir fry, you get veg, chicken, fish, paneer, and there is also manual mode. And if I go with the curry mode, you have the dal tadka, sambar option, then paneer, fish tikka, or fish, chicken and veg option. And if you want to steam, you get this option of momos and idli, that's the option. And if you want to boil, you have the dal, biryani, rice and pasta. You can see here veg and chicken options are there. So based on each preset function, it will automatically set the time needed and the heat needed. That's a very important thing. You don't have to worry about that. Say for example, I am going to boil rice, I go with the boil option, then go here, You can see here now I selected rice biryani, and you can see 25 minutes is the time, and it automatically selects the heat required. And you can go with the manual mode in case you don't want to go with the preset function. You can go with the manual mode as well, but I would suggest you to go with this preset function. Very useful. We cooked or rather we boiled rice with this, and extremely good it was in terms of the boiling, and the right boiling it happened with rice while I cooked this. So it's very good. You can also have set the timer if you don't want to do any I mean, if you want to manually set it, you can go with the temperature control as well as there is a timer option as well. So these are options available in this menu. So an extremely useful 6 options: air fry, stir fry, curry, steam, boil, and keeping warm. You can just click on this button to start the process. So very useful in terms of the modes available. As I said before, 33 modes are there, making your cooking really useful. So if it is making idli, whether it's making dal, whether it's making sambar, pizza, pasta, cake, boiling rice, stir fry chicken, or this chicken curry, there is a menu for everything and anything on this device. So that makes it really versatile in terms of overall experience. So we tried cooking several dishes using this OneChef. First one was boiled rice. So we put the washed rice and poured water and selected the preset option. We selected the boil option, and then we have the rice biryani option. That's the one to select. And once you selected, it will show you the time. That's around 25 minutes. And once the time ends, all you need to do is just wait, and once the time ends, you can see here it has cooked really good boiled rice, and without any sort of stickiness. The correct amount of boiling has happened. So it is really good in terms of that aspect. So it is correctly suited for Indian kitchen. Next we tried a dal curry. Once again we put in the tadka mode, and once you put in all the items, and by the time it ends, your dal tadka is ready. And this is really good. You don't have to interfere in between. All it does is cooking for the preset time. Next we tried chicken fry using the stir fry mode. All you need to do is pour oil, add chicken and other ingredients, and just do the stir fry. It will work very well. And you could see that the taste was really impressive. That's one thing which we really liked. You can see now I have set the chicken mode, and the cooking of chicken, or rather the stir fry, is done really well. So that was my experience using the Philips OneChef. So all in all, I was pretty impressed with this product, because it can do almost all the functions what you need on a daily basis in your kitchen. Now the cleaning is pretty much easier, and you don't have to worry about that, and the utensils and the build quality is really good. The menu is extremely useful, easy to navigate, and the quality of cooking is also really impressive. When I prepared the rice, I thought the water quantity might not be the correct one, or it might be excess, or the rice might get sticky, but it was excellent in terms of the overall experience. There was no stickiness. So these are things which separate general utensils from the Philips OneChef. This is extremely useful, and each of these is configured for Indian kitchen. That means it is actually suited or tuned for Indian cooking experience. So that makes it really versatile product. 33 preset function. You can also go with the manual mode in case you don't want the preset function. You can even go with the manual mode. So literally everything is possible to cook with this appliance, and you don't need any gas for this. That's another advantage. So if you are a person in a locality where you are facing shortage of gas, you don't have to worry about this, because this functions on electricity. So that was my experience. So it's an all-in-one versatile cooking product with 33 preset functions in one. So our experience has been really good. This is priced 19,995, and this is available on all the e-commerce websites, and this is backed by Philips trust and warranty. You get 2 years of warranty. So Philips, we all know how good their products are. So that is the backing Philips gives with this product, and 2 years warranty is also offered. So if you are interested in this product, you can use the link in the description of this video, or buy from any e-commerce sites, or you can go with regular stores as well. So that was my experience. What do you guys think about this product? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. To see you in our next video. Have a great day.